Three things I used to make my trading simple. And the first one is that I stuck to one strategy up until I knew the strategy. I knew the ins and outs of the strategy, how the strategy behaves in certain times or in certain sessions. And then before you can just switch strategies, go to one strategy to the other, you have to learn one strategy and master it, guys, and use it maybe on a live account and see what happens on the live account, and then you can switch your strategy. And then if maybe you have like your personal reasons why you're switching a strategy, or maybe at maybe New York session you are busy at work, or maybe at London session you are busy, or with something else you're busy with the kids or something, so you can switch a strategy maybe to a scalping strategy or a swing strategy. It goes in your personality. So, and the second thing is that you have to learn from your losses instead of your winners. Each time you take a loss, you must go back to your charts and see if what you did wrong, and just learn from that loss. Analyze your charts again, see what you can do different when you get like the same problem or the same setup. You know what you have to do. And then on my third tip is that the thing that I used mostly is that I was patient, guys. Everything comes with patience in the markets. I was very patient to get to where I am at the moment. The chart work that I do at the moment is very powerful. If you look in this YouTube channel, if you go back to the analysis that I was sharing with you guys, you'll see a very big difference. You'll see a very peak of confidence, guys, just because my confidence was a bit low when I was starting up on my YouTube channel. But as I grew with the skill, as I grew with you guys as my community, I started to be like very confident in what I'm doing. And then I started to be confident just because I was taking trades that I know that if someone takes this trade, he or she will win in the markets, just because I shared the setup with you guys. So that is it for today's video, guys, and I'll see you on another video. Peace out.